It's a real tragedy if you're facing challenges with the criminal justice system and you don't have any place to go to find information. My name is Michael Santos, and I'm the founder of Prison Professors, and it's a website that we created where everything is free. We believe that anybody who is in the trauma of going through a criminal justice problem should not be limited by their ability to pay in order for them to learn. And one of the things I'm excited about sharing with you today is our first newsletter. And I'm going to share my screen with you to kind of show you what you can expect if you subscribe to the newsletter. So it's really something kind of cool that some members of our team taught me how to create. And I'm going to insert this video into the newsletter. So if you take the newsletter by email, you'll see this video. And if you get it through the Substack app, you will see it. The Substack application is Prison Professors, but what we offer are various insights that can help you if you're facing a challenge and you don't really know where to get information to help you get through the journey. And we want you to get through the journey with confidence that you're building a pathway that's going to lead you to the best possible outcome. We want to provide you with strategies that you could use to work more effectively with your defense attorney and your family and your own pathway to architecting a map that's going to lead you to the other side of the journey. It's super important for you to learn as much as you possibly can. And through these newsletters, you're going to get a little bit of insight on various aspects of the criminal justice system. I write every single day. And this newsletter, what it basically does is it tells you, hey, these are some articles that you might find helpful depending upon what stage of the journey you're in. You may not be charged with a crime, but you think that you're under an investigation. So it's important for you to learn about that process. You might be already under indictment and you don't know whether you're going to plead guilty or go to trial. Well, you need to learn about what's going to follow. You might have been sentenced already and you need to figure out, how am I going to create a strategy that can help me qualify for the earliest possible release date, but not only getting out early, but making sure that when you come home, you still have your dignity intact and you have opportunities to prosper. So that's what we really share through here. So in this one, you'll see a series of articles: navigating federal investigations, strategic thinking before a plea agreement, right? If you click the link in this, you're going to find the actual article right on our website. And in this particular one, considering plea agreements, I do this interview with John, who is in that situation right now. So you could watch the interview if you want to. You could read about it so that you have a better understanding of what is a plea agreement. You could learn how to ask Socratic questions and kind of introspect on how to make a decision. You could learn, how do I build a mitigation strategy? How do I prepare for sentencing? Right? All of those ideas are concepts that you should be thinking about as you work toward the journey, getting through this journey. It's a very tough journey. So you want to make sure that you have a plan. You want to make sure that you're thinking about a release plan or a strategy. And really what all of our lessons are about at Prison Professors is we want you to learn how to develop the CEO mindset. These are all lessons that empowered me while I was going through 26 years in prison, and I'm absolutely confident they can empower you. The nice thing about it is, at Prison Professors, everything that we offer is free. There's no charge for anything. That means that you could read lessons, you could watch the videos, you could go through courses on your own, and you can start developing a plan that's going to broaden your awareness of what you can do. It will make you more effective in working with counsel. It will make you more aware of opportunities. It'll broaden your mind to what's coming next in the process. But most importantly, it's going to help you restore confidence, because you're going to learn how to develop a plan. You're going to learn how to put priorities in place. You're going to learn how to develop tools, tactics, and resources, and then execute the plan every single day. That's what I learned from studying leaders. And at Prison Professors, I always make 3 promises. Number 1, I'm never going to lie to you. I'll always be truthful. Number 2, I'll never ask you to do anything that I didn't do. And number 3, I will never ask you to pay me a penny for anything that's available on Prison Professors. But if you need guidance on a one-on-one level, that isn't something that I have the time to provide. My focus is on changing the system. But our sponsor does offer that type of interactive webinars every week. You can learn more about it by clicking right here. I think there's a link there to his interactive webinar where you could register and participate. You could also go to the Prison Professors website and go up here to courses right here, click on the Ask Me Anything, and just scroll down, and there's like a little section there where you can provide your information and tell me your question, and then I will do my best to respond to your question. I just don't have time to work with people on a one-on-one basis. My name is Michael Santos. I am the founder of Prison Professors, and I believe in you. I hope that you will subscribe to our newsletter. You'll share it around with your attorney and with others. You'll visit us on social. You'll subscribe to our social channels and visit prisonprofessors.org so that you can get free information to help you get the best possible outcome. I'm Michael Santos, and I believe in you.